Christmas gifts with all the trimmings from Real Deals for You.
Most tradesmen will have a toolbox saw either in their van, in their car, or, as the name suggests, in their toolbox, because this is a saw that really does get you out of trouble on a number of occasions. And this is an absolute cracker from Roughneck. It's got super duper little blade protector there, just clips on, clips off. It's got triple ground teeth, which gives you a fine cut, a nice finish on a number of materials, and this saw will cut MDF, man-made boards, it will cut fine things like architrave, even plastics, as well as normal sawn timber, so it will cut just about everything found on the building site. Nice feature about this one is it's got a large bi-material gripped handle, and this will cope with a gloved hand. As I say, this is a really smashing little saw from Roughneck, and it cuts cleanly, smoothly and fast, giving you a great result every time. Let's have a look at how this little saw performs. The Roughneck Toolbox Saw, it cuts all of this, which makes it the ideal addition to any toolkit. Visit realdealsforyou.com to find your nearest stockist.